Hey everybody, welcome back to Camp in a Box. Today we're going to make our own popsicle stick harmonica. In your kit you will receive 2 popsicle sticks, a handful of rubber bands, and a straw. And you'll need things from home like markers, a pencil, and a pair of scissors. Before we assemble our harmonica, you're going to want to go ahead and decorate the popsicle sticks. I only decorated one side on each popsicle stick, but you can decorate both if you want to. I used the same pattern across all of my music crafts for this Camp in the Box series. So let's go ahead and use some movie magic and speed things up. There we go. The marker is all dry, so we can start working on assembling the harmonica. You're going to want to cut your straw into 2 pieces that are each about 1 inch long. If you cut the straw right where the bendy part is, that should be just about the length you need for both your straw pieces. So you can use that first piece to measure out your second piece. Now you're going to want to grab your first rubber band and one of your popsicle sticks. Stretch the rubber band lengthwise down the whole popsicle stick and center it in the middle. Next, slide one of your straw pieces underneath this rubber band. Place the other straw piece on the opposite end of the popsicle stick. Then take your remaining popsicle stick and put it on top of both the straw pieces. To keep all the pieces secure, stretch one more rubber band lengthwise down the harmonica. Twist your remaining rubber bands around either end of the harmonica for extra support. You don't want the rubber bands to be too tight, however. Make sure that the rubber bands are loose enough that you can move the straw pieces, but they won't fall out. By moving the straws closer together or farther apart, you determine the pitch of your harmonica. You can use this harmonica pretty much the same way you would use a normal metal harmonica. And that's it for the harmonica. Thanks for crafting with me today, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!